Got up this morning, let the puppy out. Got this little old doe out here. She was over there on the feed block. I think she's picking up corn now. I'm just out here sitting on the back step. She's about, I don't know, maybe 8-10 yards. Good, healthy doe. She didn't bring no babies up this morning. I reckon they're still out there somewhere laying down. Yeah, I know that's one of the mama does. I think she's got the twins. She's got a mark on her side that I recognize. You can see it right there. Looks kind of like a scratch of some kind, but it's been there the whole time we've been watching her come up with the babies. It was kind of white when she first started coming up, but it looks like it's done darkened up now. If y'all liking this content, please hit the like button, subscribe, share, leave me some comments. I'd love to hear what you got to say. But I reckon she's going around to the front of the house now.